Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to link Amazon Prime Video to your Fire TV stick, step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Connect and power on your Fire TV stick. Plug your Fire TV stick into your TV's HDMI port and connect the power cable. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Step 2. Sign in to your Amazon account. When the Fire TV stick starts up, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter the Amazon account that has an active Prime Video subscription. This step is required to access Prime Video content. Step 3. Check Prime Video availability. From the Fire TV home screen, go to the Prime Video section. In most cases, Prime Video is already installed and linked automatically when you sign in with your Amazon account. Step 4. Install or update the Prime Video app. If Prime Video is not visible, go to the App Store on your Fire TV stick, search for Prime Video, and install or update the app to the latest version. Step 5. Open Prime Video and verify access. Launch the Prime Video app and confirm that you can browse and play content. If prompted, approve any additional sign-in or verification steps. Step 6. Set Prime Video preferences. You can customize profiles, parental controls, and streaming settings directly within the Prime Video app for a personalized viewing experience. Your Fire TV stick is now linked to Amazon Prime Video and ready for streaming your favorite movies and shows. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tutorials and step-by-step guides.